I mentioned earlier that Microsoft 365 is a suite of products. There are many products that run as services, and these services provide a great number of functionalities for your users. However, all of those products and functionalities share some commonalities, and those functionalities can be managed through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. The Microsoft 365 Admin Center is the primary tool for managing your services, functionalities, and applications in Microsoft 365. You access the Microsoft 365 Admin Center by typing admin.microsoft.com and you are presented with the homepage of the Admin Center. From the Admin Center, you'll be able to manage your users, manage your groups, manage the different permissions that exist in Microsoft 365. As well as go through all of your invoices and your cost of Microsoft 365, open a support ticket to Microsoft 365 in the event of an issue, and then configure a great number of organizational-wide settings. As well, you'll be able to review the health of the services that run in the Microsoft 365 cloud and that provide the various functionalities for you. If I scroll down to this list here on the left, I see the various additional admin centers that are available for me. These admin centers focus on the specific Microsoft 365 workloads. So for example, if you want to manage all of the Microsoft 365 email-related settings, the Exchange Online settings, when I want to configure all of my collaboration settings, I will use the Teams Admin Center. Throughout this course, we will explore the majority of these shared configurations. These configurations that really go across a great number of services and workloads, such as the ability to configure a user. The user is the central point of all of the services. It is where you assign your licenses. It is where you provide permissions to resources and to access SharePoint online documents. A user has a mailbox in order to access email. So it makes sense that you manage a user as a shared entity in Microsoft 365. However, everything that I can do here from Microsoft 365 Admin Center often has an additional, more advanced functionality in the specific workloads. So though I can configure a mailbox for a user in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, when I want to configure some more advanced settings such as archiving rules and much more advanced Exchange email settings, I will have to go into the Exchange Admin Center. Throughout this course, we will look at the admin centers, we will go through the options in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center as well. But as an administrator, your starting point should always be the Microsoft 365 Admin Center.